Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 25th, 2026, and we're diving into Lowe's fourth quarter 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Lowe's performance, especially given the current dynamics in the home improvement sector.
Absolutely. Lowe's has just released their Q4 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Lowe's reported total sales of $20.6 billion for the fourth quarter, up from $18.6 billion in the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The increase in total sales is primarily driven by a 1.3% rise in comparable sales. This growth is attributed to strong performance in pro, online, and home services sales, as well as a successful holiday season. Lowe's total home strategy seems to be resonating well with both pro and DIY customers.
And how about profitability? The adjusted EPS came in at $1.98, beating the analyst's forecast of $1.95. What does this tell us about Lowe's operational efficiency?
Indeed, the adjusted EPS of $1.98 indicates a 2.6% increase compared to the prior year. This improvement, despite the macroeconomic pressures, suggests that Lowe's is effectively managing its costs and capitalizing on its strategic initiatives.
Strategic initiatives and capital allocation. John, Lowe's has been focusing on its total home strategy. How is this impacting their market position?
The total home strategy is clearly paying off. It's designed to cater to both pro and DIY customers, and the results are evident in their sales growth. Additionally, Lowe's awarded $125 million in discretionary bonuses to frontline associates, which highlights their commitment to employee satisfaction and customer service excellence.
That's impressive. On the capital allocation front, Lowe's paid $673 million in dividends this quarter. How does this fit into their overall strategy?
Lowe's is committed to generating sustainable shareholder value. For the fiscal year, they returned $2.6 billion to shareholders through dividends, which underscores their disciplined approach to capital allocation and their confidence in the company's long-term prospects.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Lowe's has provided its outlook for fiscal 2026. What are the key highlights from their guidance?
Lowe's expects total sales to range between $92 billion and $94 billion, which represents a 7 to 9% increase compared to the prior year. They anticipate comparable sales to be flat to up 2%. The adjusted EPS is projected to be between $12.25 and $12.75, reflecting their confidence in navigating the uncertain home improvement market.
And what about their capital expenditures?
Lowe's plans to invest approximately $2.5 billion in capital expenditures, which will likely support their ongoing productivity initiatives and strategic growth plans.
Key takeaways. In summary, Lowe's has delivered a solid performance in Q4 2025 with strong sales growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and disciplined capital allocation are positioning them well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Lowe's is demonstrating resilience in a challenging market. Their focus on customer-centric strategies and operational efficiencies is commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of the 2026 outlook.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Lowe's performance in the comments below.